guys excuse the wind. It's super windy out right now. But this entire car is wrapped in PPF. And as you can tell, it is a beautiful matte black. So underneath this car is gloss black, and then you have the matte PPF over it. It gives an awesome sheen to it. Now I've scanned this whole side of the car and it looks absolutely amazing. Now checking out the side mirror here, you do have a little lift spot there and a potential rock chip. It does not look like it went through the actual paint, just the film itself. But all of this looks amazing. Got the carbon fiber spoiler here. And if you look right here, you can see the gloss black paint kind of peeking through. But like I said, everything's fully protected and this car looks almost perfect. Alright, and I've scanned this entire side looking for any imperfections, scuffs, scratches, things like that, and nothing is standing out to me, and I'm inches away just trying to look at every little thing I can. That matte PPF looks amazing. Now coming to the front, you are going to have some potential rock chips or at least imperfections in the PPF from rock impact. So you're going to see a few here and there. A lot of these are going to be impossible to tell if they made their way through the PPF and actually impacted the paint or not. But it's going to be every once in a while. Just going to have a few here and there. Then looking at the splitter, you have a little curb rash here on the edge, but all of that looks really good. I don't see any damage from looking up here down. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got a few scuffs here on the kick plate. That bolster looks good. You have a small imperfection right there. That looks really nice. Steering wheel super clean. Console looks great. Inside of this car is very clean. The door panel looks amazing. Checking out the kick plate, we do have some scratches right there. That bolster looks awesome. Very clean. You have a tiny scuff there and a little scuff here. The rest of that looks amazing.